Hello again, Rebecca here. Welcome to my channel. This is take 2 of the intro to Follow a Sketch February day 21. B saw a cat outside. Anyway, and it was quite impressive barking. So here's our sketch. It's 3 photos. I only have the 2. It looks like it's a half by half, but shifted slightly. Band in the middle, some scallops, some fun things. My personal prompt for today is glitter gel, and my monthly prompt is pocket cards, so I don't know. We'll see if we can get those on here. This is Sam walking on the street with, they're not real showgirls, but they look, fancy, so he wanted his picture taken, and it's his 21st birthday. This is my family, so that's my son, my husband, my dad, and my mom, all walking in Vegas. I'm taking the picture. I think we were going to Caesar's Palace. I'm not real sure. And then I'm going to mat the 2 on those 2 pocket cards. That's right. I do have pocket cards on there. So there you go. I have some scraps here. I have a full 12 by 12, a scrap, because if you notice, this piece right here is a stripe. So I was thinking I could get that on there somehow. And then I have this 12 by 12. This is all from my How to Kill a Kit with Style for Q1. I do have this sticker sheet and that sticker sheet. So I've got the scallop here, which I was going to pull in. So first and foremost, we need to trim these little guys right down. So let's just... I totally just cut my mom off, right? Didn't I? No. Oh my goodness. That was pretty darn special. Alright. That way I know they're the same size. I know it's not ideal, but it's who I am. I have a doctor's appointment in a few hours, so I'm just getting in the scrappy goodness, waiting for that. So we're just gonna get the photos down. And or I could just throw them. So Robbie went to work. The Hubs is at work. I just got back from one doctor's appointment, and I'm taking my lunch break, and then I'm going to do some work, and then I'm going to go to my next doctor's appointment. Fun, fun. All right. So let's check this out. I'm going to use this as my base. So we're going to cut that down to 12. And that is Echo Park's Jack and Jill collection. So on the back is like bicycles. So we're going to use that. And we're going to cut this down. And this is my family fun from Simple Stories. So I did like the family fun from Simple Stories, and there was a game night from Echo Park. And we're going to cut this into a 6. And that's fun, but we're going to put that back into, I have like a little bin of scraps here that I'm keeping, because this is everything that I'm going to be using for my collection. All right, I'm going to cut that one off for this trip. And actually, I think we're getting ready to go to Vegas again. I'm hoping we get out there in May. I do need to look, because I have some crops and stuff coming up. All right, so that's going to be that one. And then, what else did I have? I've got these 3. Which, what's this size? Oof. What if... All right. Instead of a scallop, I'll have like a torn edge. Okay. And let's make that 6. It's gonna go at the top. And then just, what if I just keep going with that? So that's 6. So this one is 6. So we'll just have a few torn bits. And let's make this 6. All right. So we'll take these pieces and then we'll go back over here. All right. So let me assemble. Oh, you know what? Oh, goodness. Let's see if we can cut that, because I totally forgot that there needed to be another strip, so that'll be fine. We'll use that piece. Why not? All right, I'm going to assemble all this, and we'll be right back. All right, so I've got it all on there. In order to make my 2 banner strips, the little border strips that were scalloped fit, I did have to trim it down, and then I just used that one full sheet. I have so much paper, you guys, that I'm actually kind of afraid I'm going to have a lot left over, so I went ahead and used that to mat the whole page. From this sticker sheet, I took this scallop piece, the It's Your Birthday, and the present so far. From the sticker sheet, I've got the 3 little houses and the globe. Then I was just looking to see what else I could add, and I was like, probably should record because oh, and then I've got that from the birthday party one. So let's tuck this right there. Little vacation. I have so much that it's totally... Put those down there for now. Get those little sunglasses over there. I know I want to grab some other things. And not. Oh, look at that. That's fun. Let's just, look how old school these cameras are. It's fine. I think it's cute. So we're going to get those stuck in there, which will also help to bring some of the black from. Let's just go like this. Oh, and I've got those torn bits on there. So then we'll put a camera strip like so. I'm going to hide the actual roll of film, right? Because we all know nobody uses that anymore. I mean, I don't know. Do we? No, we don't. Nobody has film developed anymore, do they, like that? I don't even know if you can do it. If you can do it, let me know. All right, so we'll stick those under there. We'll pop in the little fun flashes, because that's what these are supposed to be, is flashes. Do you know what I don't have on here? Is glitter gel. So we're going to have to get that popped on somehow. That's used. I also don't save my How to Kill a Kit with scraps. Oh no. I forgot. You guys, I forgot. Okay. What if We need... Let's pull this. We'll do that last. We'll just get the glitter gel on as accents last. Oh, here we go. We're gonna stick that. So we're gonna have like a little weird visual triangle. Do we want that there, or do we want to bring it down here? I think we'll bring it down here. Okay. And then put that little guy right there. What else do we have to pull in? These are always fun. Do a little Are We There Yet? Because if you've ever been to Vegas, have you ever walked? Like, it looks like it's so close, but it's so far away. Okay. That one's for the Eiffel Tower. I do want to use those, but maybe for something else. Ooh, let's see what's in the sticker book. Because I have like 472 of the sticker books. Okay, this is funny. It says this is how we roll. Let's see if I can get this on there. I think we'll put it up here. Okay. And no, Sam was not a big winner. We thought that Lady Luck would help him, but Lady Luck was not our friend. He made more money off of me. You probably are like, how? Well, see, the kid had quite the scam, because every time we walked into a casino, I would give him $100, him $100, and myself $100, and we would play. Robbie was like 50-50. Robbie's the reason that we actually came home with money. I lost. He would put the $100 into his wallet, take out a $20 bill, and he would gamble with that. And if he won, he kept it. If he lost, he was done. But he only lost $20 at a time. I figured that out, and I was like, you little dirty birdie. He thought it was quite funny. All right, let's do a little picture perfect right here. This is kind of getting busy. I think that has more to do with the, I need something down here. We pull in a puzzle piece for each area. So we'll get the puzzle piece, that one there. Let's take the orange one down here because I've got orange there. The orange is within all of that going on. So we'll pop this guy there, and then we have this puzzle piece to put up at the top. Somewhere. It's gonna blend in, but it'll be fine. I know it's there. Let's see. I don't actually think that's gonna go with anything. Yeah, my main goal was to get stuff off of this used. So, oh man. I'm trying to get everything like used up. I know that sounds funny, but it is the truth. Let's just add that there. All right, I actually think that's good. Lots more used, but so much more left to do. for that entire thing. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. So I'm just going to take this, and now this is Stickles glitter gel. I'm going to get a little bit on there, and we're just going to come in and do some just fun, nothing too crazy. Just a different way to use the product. So I'm just dipping it in and then just moving it around the page. All right. And I don't know what the name of that one is, so let me look real quick. This is called Aquarius. Aquarius. Sorry. All right. So that's fun. So we did get that all on there. That is done. Here is the original sketch, and there's my interpretation. Mark that one off. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Don't forget to check everyone else out that's playing along with Follow a Sketch February, which is the wonderful hop by the lovely Sandy, who is State Goddess here on YouTube and also the owner of Scrapping Reflections. And I will see you guys later with another video. Bye.